every weekend when we meet over this 10-minute meditation, I feel a lot of joy as I guide you through this process. So what exactly is meditation? Sometimes we feel कि एक जगह पर बैठना, अपनी बॉडी को एकदम ढीला छोड़ना, फ्यूचर पास्ट का नहीं सोचना, एंड इस सब को हम मेडिटेशन कहते हैं, एंड दैट इंक्लूड्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स. एंड समटाइम्स इट गेट्स वेरी बोरिंग, sometimes it gets very monotonous, sometimes you feel where is the instant gratification, where is the short term result that's coming out of meditation. And I know meditation ऐसी नहीं होती. Meditation is not something which you'll do right now and you'll feel tomorrow is the best day of your life. It does not happen. It takes time. It's a slow process for your body to get accustomed, for your brain to now understand what you're actually doing through meditation. I think it's all a process and it takes time. For me, meditation particularly is it gives you clarity. कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि जब हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे होंगे, मेडिटेट कर रहे होंगे, उसका मतलब है कि हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं, तो उससे क्या प्रोडक्टिविटी आएगी, तो उससे क्या हाई परफॉर्मेंस आएगा. वी फील ये जो साइलेंस है, ये साइलेंस हमारे किस काम की है. बट अगर आप म्यूजिक को देखें, सी म्यूजिक में नोट्स होते हैं एंड साइलेंस होता है. दे बोथ प्ले देयर रोल. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट साइलेंस टू अकर, फॉर म्यूजिक टू बी ब्यूटिफुल. वैसे ही लाइफ में जो ये साइलेंस आप क्रिएट करते हैं थ्रू मेडिटेशन, दैट गिव्स यू क्लैरिटी, that gives you creativity, that gives you compassion towards yourself, towards people around you, and towards life in its own way. And that's why meditation एक बहुत important role play करता है हमें और center करने के लिए, हमें और काम करने के लिए, हमें और balance provide करने के लिए. क्योंकि सारा दिन रात 24 घंटे throughout the weeks and days that we have been alive, we keep trying to do a lot. We keep trying to कि achieve कर लें, ये भी कर लें, वो काम भी हो जाए, इससे भी मिल लें, उसको भी देख लें. And that's just taking us all apart. It's just stretching us in different directions. Meditation is when our energies come together, they get controlled, they get centered in a more beautiful way. So आज की meditation में, that's what we'll tackle. So what I want you to do is, as always, come to a comfortable position. Your spine should be straight, your neck should be straight. आप उसको थोड़ा सा पीछे को खींच सकते हैं. The neck should not be drooping, should not be extended. It should be just straight. The chin needs to be parallel to the ground. Gently close your eyes all the way, or you can look at something with a soft gaze. And as you do that, I want you to focus on your breath. नाक से सांस अंदर लेंगे, धीरे से उसको मुंह से बाहर छोड़ेंगे. Now I want you to take a very deep breath, deepest you've taken throughout your day. So गहरी सांस नाक से अंदर, उसको 2-3 सेकंड के लिए टॉप पे रोकेंगे और फिर गहरी सांस आप मुंह से बाहर छोड़ेंगे. You'll inhale from your nose, stop at the top, and then let it go out from your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhale, stop at the top, exhale. Inhale, stop at the top, exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, stop at the top, exhale. Now let your breath go back to its normal rhythm. When you've closed your eyes, जब आपने अपनी आंखें बंद की हुई हैं, you don't have to try and focus on your forehead or look down or look up. Just keep your eyes very relaxed. Just keep them centered. Just keep them focused. Continue to focus on your breath. Continue to focus on your posture. Now let's scan through the body. We'll start from the head to the neck, the spine, both shoulders, hands and arms, your upper back, your lower back, the front of your chest, your abdomen, your buttocks, your thighs, your hamstrings, your knees, your calves, the bottom of your feet, and your fingernails. Just let go of all the tightness that you might have. Just let go of whatever is not feeling right. हो सकता है इस टाइम आप लो एनर्जी फील कर रहे हो. It might be possible that your energy is low right now. Let's try and bring it up. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उस एनर्जी को हम बढ़ा सकें, उस एनर्जी को हायर ले जा सकें. तो start to visualize कि आपके हेड के ऊपर, स्कल के ऊपर there's a source of light. बहुत तेज रोशनी है. There's a source of strong light that is on the top of your forehead, and through which there's this golden liquid flowing into your body. And as you see it go through from that source of light into your head, into your body starts to fill up. पहले आपके पैर, आपके calves, your knees, they're all starting to radiate with this beautiful golden liquid, this beautiful light. It continues to rise through your knees, your thighs, your buttocks, and it has now filled up your abdomen. The beautiful energy fills you up, and there's a smile on your face, there's joy in your heart. The golden liquid continues to increase above your abdomen now, through your chest cavity, both your shoulders, your arms and your hands. Every part of your body is glowing beautifully with this light. It has now filled your chest cavity, your neck, your face, and your head. Be with this beautiful energy that you have only invited into your own body. This energy energizes you, it radiates through your body, it provides you the warmth. Just stay with it. I'll be quiet for the next 1 minute. And then I'll invite you back to this room. Embrace this warmth, embrace this light, embrace how it makes you feel. To end this meditation, we'll take a deep breath in and then exhale out together with a force. Let's do it together. Inhale, exhale. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back to this room. Great. Thank you for being there on this video with me, on this guided meditation with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it energized you for the rest of your weekend, the week to come, or whenever you're watching it. If you liked it, share with your friends and family. It makes me feel very peaceful, and I hope the experience is similar for you. Subscribe to the channel. We release weekly meditations and then a couple of videos through the week as well to inspire you, to motivate you, to ignite that beautiful, distinct spark right within you.